Hi and hello, welcome to our Maths class, Standard 6th, Term 2, Unit 4, Geometry, Triangles. Just we are discussing the exercise 4.1 problems. Problem number 7. Can a triangle be formed with the following sides? If yes, name the type of triangle. Triangle oda sides கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. We should find out whether we can able to form a triangle. Triangle வந்து form பண்ண முடியுமா முடியாதா? Yes ன்னு சொன்னா அது என்ன type of triangle? First problem here given 8 cm, 6 cm, 4 cm. So let us take the smaller two sides. That means 6 cm and 4 cm. Just you can add the two sides. 6 plus 4, that is 10 cm, which is greater than the third side 8 cm. So it is greater than the third side. So a triangle can be formed with the given sides. It is a scalene triangle. Three sides different இருக்கறதுனால it is scalene triangle. Second problem 10 cm, 8 cm, 5 cm. Find out the sum of the two smaller sides of the triangle. Smaller sides 5 plus 8, that is 13 cm, which is greater than the third side 10 cm. So it is greater than the third side. So a triangle can be formed with the given sides, and three sides are different, so that we can say it is a scalene triangle. Third problem 6.2 cm, 1.3 cm, 3.5 cm. Find out the sum of two smaller sides of a triangle. 1.3 plus 3.5, it is 4.8 cm, which is less than 6.2. That is the third side விட less இருக்கு. So it is less than the third side. So a triangle cannot be formed with the given sides. Next problem 6 cm, 6 cm, 4 cm. Sum of two smaller sides of the triangle. 6 plus 4, it is 10. So which is greater than the third side 6 cm. It is greater than the third side. So a triangle can be formed with the given sides. It is an isosceles triangle because two sides are equal, so that it is called isosceles triangle. And the fifth problem is 3.5 cm, 3.5 cm, 3.5 cm. If the three sides are equal, three sides may equal இருந்துச்சுன்னு சொன்னா definitely a triangle can be formed. கண்டிப்பா நம்மளால triangle form பண்ண முடியும். It is an equilateral triangle. Three sides equals means it is called an equilateral triangle. 9 cm, 4 cm, 5 cm. Sum of two smaller sides, if you find out, we will get 4 plus 5, 9 cm, which is equal to the third side. It is equal to the third side means a triangle cannot be formed with the given sides. Greater than இருந்தா மட்டும்தான் நம்மளால triangle form பண்ண முடியும். Can a triangle be formed with the following angles? If yes, name the type of triangle. So இப்போ வந்து angle base பண்ணி என்ன type of triangle form பண்ண முடியுமான்னு பார்க்கணும். முடியும்னா அந்த triangle ஓட type என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும். First one is 60 degree, 60 degree, 60 degree. The sum of three angles. Sum of three angles கண்டுபிடிக்கும் போது we must get 180 degree. So a triangle can be formed with the given angles. It is an acute angled triangle. மூணு ஆங்கிளுமே acute angle இருக்கிறதுனால it is called an acute angled triangle. அதாவது sum of the three angles நமக்கு 180 degree வரணும். வரலைன்னா a triangle cannot be formed. 90 degree, 55 degree, 35 degree. The sum of three angles is 180 degree. So a triangle can be formed. இங்க ஒரு angle வந்து 90 degree இருக்கிறதுனால it is called a right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. And the next one is the 60 degree, 40 degree, 42 degree. The sum of three angles. Here we got only 142 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. So a triangle cannot be formed with the given angles. Fourth problem 60 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. The sum of three angles is equal to 60 plus 90 plus 90. It is 240 degree, which is not equal to 180 degree. So a triangle cannot be formed with the given angles. 70 degree, 60 degree and 50 degree. So find the sum of the three angles. When you add all the three angles, you will get 180 degree. So a triangle can be formed with the given angles. It is an acute angled triangle. Three angles may acute இருக்கிறதுனால acute angled triangle. And 100 degree, 50 degree, 30 degree. The sum of three angles, we got 180 degree. So a triangle can be formed with the given angles. Here one of the angle is 100 degree, isn't it? So it is called an obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angled triangle. Come to the ninth problem. two angles of the triangles are given, find the third angle. Two angles கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, third angle நம்ம find out பண்ணணும். அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணணும்னா first problem 80 degree 60 degree. So if you want to find out the third angle, just you can add the two angles and subtract it from 180 degree. கொடுத்திருக்கிற ரெண்டு ஆங்கிளையும் ஆட் பண்ணிட்டு 180 லேருந்து சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா போதும். ஏன்னா sum of three angles நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும் 180 degree. So 180 minus 80 plus 60, it is 140. So the third angle is 40 degree. Next one is 75 degree and 35 degree. So when you add 75 and 35, you will get 110 degree. Subtract from 180 degree, then we will get the third angle is 70 degree. The third problem is 52 degree 68 degree. Add the two angles, we will get 120 degree. When you subtract it from 180 degree, we will get 60 degree. So the third angle is 60 degree. Next problem is 50 degree 90 degree. Now you can add the two angles, 50 plus 90, it is 140 degree. Subtract it from 180 degree, we will get 40 degree. So the third angle is 40 degree. Fifth problem is 120 degree and 30 degree. The third angle is equal to 180 minus 120 plus 30. When you add these two angles, you will get 150 degree. And when you subtract it from 180 degree, you will get 30 degree. So the third angle is 30 degree. Sixth problem 55 degree 85 degree. The third angle, if you want to find out, follow the same method. 55 plus 85, it is 140. Subtract it from 180, you will get 40 degree. And the 10th problem is, I am a closed figure with each of my three angles is 60 degree. Who am I? என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா, நான் ஒரு closed figure. நான் வந்து ஒரு closed figure with each of my three angles is 60 degree. என்னோட 3 angles வந்து 60 டிகிரியா இருக்கு அப்படின்னா நான் யாரு என்ன கண்டுபிடிங்கன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. So if the 3 angles are equal, then the 3 sides will be equal. This is one of the property. 3 angles equal இருந்ததுன்னா 3 sidesம் equal இருக்கும். So I am an equilateral triangle. So 3 sides equal இருந்ததுன்னா we can say it is an equilateral triangle.